Hello everyone, my name is Sai Sumant. Welcome to my channel, and this is going to be a video on OSCP, which is offensive security platform, guys. So offensive security is offering OSCP certification, which stands for Offensive Security Certified Professional. So which is an advanced ethical hacking certification. If you have CEH, after completing the CEH, so many members will try to get OSCP as well, because OSCP is the most industrialized recognized ethical hacking certificate, and it is the top 2, I would say, guys. So top 2 IT certification in the ethical hacking field, and I am going to share each and every information in this video: how much it costs, and where you can buy the exam voucher, and how many days the lab will be, and what you will get if you buy an OSCP certification. So with that all said, let's jump into my computer screen. So here I am on offensivesecurity.com, guys. The exam name is PEN-200. It is not the OSCP anymore. So the code or the exam name is PEN-200. And if you are thinking of this website, so if you have listened about the Kali Linux, the same, guys. If you are using the Kali Linux, so it is made by this company, Offensive Security. Okay, guys. So if you want to earn your OCP, just click on this. So we are not going to click on this because first we have to see the details. So we'll just go down here. So here are the how to buy PEN-200, which is OSCP certification, guys. So here you can see it is written as packages which cost on and around from starting, so which is minimum $1,000, and which can be up to $1,350. So the prices for this exam is fixed, guys, so you won't get any discount. And the day of lab access is 30 days for $1,000, guys. So 60 days is for $1,200, guys, and 90 days is for $1,350. Okay, guys. So you will get one exam attempt and self-guided. So self-guided means you will get an online classes, you will get an OSCP PDF book, and you will get so many tools, guys, so which are not present in the internet. So they will give you the tools, and if you want to have the lab access for 365 days, so which is new, guys. So here you can say it is new. So if you want the lab access for 365 days, you have to pay them $2,148, but you will get 2 exam attempts. So you are going to get OSCP 2 exam attempt, guys. So I would say if you have money, so go for it. And there is a third option, which is 90 days of lab access, 1 exam attempt, and 1:1 mentoring. So which will be not so much expensive, but it is expensive than the packages, guys. So please consider that. So the packages is $1,350, so this will be on and around $1,500. Okay, guys. So let's go into the course info. So benefits, what are the benefits you will get? So access to recently retired OSCP exam machines. So yes, guys, in the lab you will get machines, so you have to hack into those machines, and the exam is also in the same kind, guys. You have to hack the machines, so we will talk that in a moment. So introduction into the latest hacking tools and techniques. So I have already discussed this point, guys. So if you subscribe for this course, you will get the latest tools you cannot find anywhere else, and the training from the experts behind the Kali Linux, and learn the try harder method and mindset, so which is stands for motivation, guys. That's it. So and the industry leading OSCP certification, so you will get certification. So who is the course for? So here you can read guys, so infosec professional train and translations into penetration testings. So I have already spoken this guys, so whoever completed the CH will also want to try for OSCP. If you want to come into ethical field, don't ever try OSCP the first, because you will lose your money guys. You cannot pass the OSCP certification in first attempt without knowing any basic knowledge, so don't go like that. And here it is saying that pen testers is seeking an industry leading certification, so security professionals, network administrators, other technology professionals. So here you can read about the exam, and here they are saying that course and online lab prepares you for the OSCP certification. So I have already said for you guys, so there will be machines in the lab, you have to hack them. The exam is also same, but in the exam you are going to get, I think, a total of 12 machines. So if you want to learn more about the exam, we can just right click and open a new tab, so we will read that guys. So the exam is of 24 hours, and now it is proctored exam guys. Yes, this is the change which you will see from the last OSCP exam and this PEN-200 exam. So you have to sit in front of your laptop, laptop for 24 hours while you are taking the exam. Yes, you can take the breaks. So you have to first tell your instructor or your, they will call as proctor. So yes, you have to first inform your proctor and then take a break. If you are not informing them, then it is treated as void and your exam attempt will be counted and you will not get any refund. So let's talk more about the exam, so that where can I find the exam guide. So you can find the exam guide here. How do I know if I am ready to take the exam? So these are the previous questions. So here you can see guys, OSCP exam FAQs. So these are the previous questions. So many people are frequently asking these questions, so they have put that in a separate link. So please go through this guys, and if you still have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. There are the course prerequisites, and here you can see this solid understanding to TCP/IP networking and reasonable window and Linux administrative experience and familiarity with the basic bash and or Python scripting. Yes guys, so here you have to know the Python, but whereas in CEH if you don't know the Python also, you can definitely pass the exam, but in OSCP you have to know bash scripting and Python definitely. So if you want to download the course syllabus, just click on this and you will download the course syllabus. In the course syllabus you will find the sections and the weightage and the subsections and everything guys. So I am not going to download and show you guys, but I will recommend you to just download and go through it. After going through everything, if you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please leave a like, and if you want to suggest any improvements in my video, please comment me below. I will definitely appreciate that. And thanks for watching my video guys. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.